Don't wait until graduation to start shaping your career. At Raymond James, we provide the resources to help you begin your professional journey today. Whatever your calling, our exploratory programs designed for college sophomores are a great way to gain industry exposure and build career skills early. We offer 3 distinct programs for ambitious and focused students in their second year of college: Sophomore Showcase, Investment Banking Insights, and Career Fast Track. Sophomore Showcase is a one-day program that enables top students to experience a day in the life of a Raymond James associate. Hosted on multiple dates, Sophomore Showcase is a flexible way to learn about our core business units, corporate infrastructure, equity research, information technology, and wealth management while connecting with peers eager to learn. Investment Banking Insights gives you an overview of the exciting world of investment banking and how our analysts and associates help companies raise capital, issue shares of stock in an IPO, and negotiate a merger or acquisition. This program includes multiple virtual learning sessions, and successful participants will experience a 2-day in-person program at one of our major hubs like New York City. Career Fast Track takes place over the course of 3 days at our global headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. This program helps students increase their knowledge, networking skills, and confidence by leveraging their individual backgrounds and experiences in the workplace. Whichever program you choose, you'll engage with industry professionals, gain valuable insights, and experience the one-of-a-kind culture of Raymond James. Most importantly, participating in these programs gives you the opportunity to receive recruiting coaching and early access to our competitive summer internship program. And of course, our best interns receive full-time offers to join the firm. Join our talent community today to learn about Raymond James and stay connected.